Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest in blockchain and digital finance. Today, we're diving into something super practical: how to transfer Ethereum from your wallet to your bank account in 2025. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just dipping your toes into the crypto world, this guide will help you navigate the process smoothly and securely. Let's get started. First off, in 2025, transferring Ethereum involves a few key steps, but remember, crypto regulations and tech might evolve, so always double-check with official sources. You'll need a few essentials: an Ethereum wallet like MetaMask or a hardware wallet for security, a reputable crypto exchange that supports fiat withdrawals, and your bank account details ready to go. Step 1. Log into your Ethereum wallet and ensure you have enough ETH to cover transaction fees. These fees, or gas, can fluctuate based on network demand, so keep an eye on that. Next, head over to a trusted exchange. Think platforms like Coinbase or Binance, which by 2025 might have even more advanced AI-driven interfaces. Transfer your ETH from your wallet to your exchange account. This is crucial because most exchanges allow you to convert crypto to fiat currency. Once your ETH is on the exchange, Step 2 is to sell it for your local currency, like USD or Euros. Use the exchange's trading interface to place a sell order. After the sale, you'll have fiat in your exchange wallet. Don't forget to consider any conversion fees or taxes. These can add up, especially with 2025's potentially stricter global regulations on crypto transactions. Now, for Step 3. Withdraw the funds to your bank account. Go to the withdrawal section on the exchange, select your bank, and enter the amount. This might involve verification steps, like two-factor authentication or biometric checks, which are standard for security in 2025. Processing times can vary from instant to a few business days, so be patient. Throughout this process, prioritize security. Use strong passwords, enable multi-factor authentication, and never share your private keys. Also, be aware of market volatility. Crypto prices can swing wildly, so timing your transfer might save you money. Wrapping this up, transferring Ethereum to your bank account in 2025 is straightforward with the right precautions. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay safe out there, and thanks for watching.